Currently what happens is like the vessel owners take a huge loan to fill in the fuel and go out, and they are in debt if nothing happens, and insurance cover is individual. So think of the scenario where there is N farmers who go deep fishing, and vessels which go deep fishing come together on this platform, and on the other end I would like to have good what we call tuna. I mean, on sitting in Technopark area or whatever in Bangalore area, I would love to have tuna tomorrow. I don't mind filling a little of fuel for some vessel which is in Bangalore port, so that I can buy the future catch of tuna. And if that doesn't happen, there is an insurance provider which is, since there is a virtual pooling of what we call potential opportunities, risk can always be covered. So I buy my tuna supply for next week by putting say 1,000 rupees onto 2,000 rupees into the platform. Buy my future. If I don't want it, I can share it with my cousin and say we can convert it or I can resell it. I bought it for say 300 rupees per kg. Currently the rates have gone. I can sell it for 500 rupees. I make a little money. Whatever, it's possible as an investor. On the other end, rather than the vessel owner or the fisherman paying huge debt, he get paid. Basically, his costs are covered right in day one, because somebody is sitting in Bangalore ecosystem or Hyderabad is actually filling his vessel. He's paying his employees. The risk is covered by an insurance company. So, and profit is basically my bottom line will go up because I don't have to pay the interest. The future is always so definitely yes, this can be applied in many other. That's the case with dairy also. I want to do farming. I know, like, I have a little land. I have people around me, and likewise there are people around the world, around India or in the state, which are who are interested to pursue this opportunity. We all register, we come together. Now we know that there is a scheme which you can apply for the government. There is an insurance which you can do a collective bargaining. There are investors in Technopark who is interested to invest in the dairy sector. We buy 500 cows, spread across Kerala, spread across Tamil Nadu. Farms are across Tamil Nadu. We convert every 500 into 50 units, sell it offer it for sale. It's basically called cow water, whatever you call it, and the corn being sold beforehand or the produce being sold beforehand. So you can either sell the units of milk, you can sell the units of cow, whatever. Basically, like, before I invest, I get the money. My supply chain is financed by the end customer. So AgroChain is a blockchain-enabled application which can bring in a new dimension to cooperative farming sector in India, where the agenda is supply chain financing in agro sector, and conventional supply chain financing relies on financial institutions. Here we can enable citizens to invest on supply chains at manageable units, which are called agri-bonds, which are nothing but scaled down units of produce or investment that has to go to the source, which is primarily the farmer. So the future of the farmer produce is being sold in the marketplace, and the landowner or the farmers get benefited right from day one, because they don't go after the financial institutions, or they don't take debt that they don't have to pay off the interest, and because their future produce is always so, yes, it has applications in many other domains, and we have received a few interests from some of those domains already. End customers or some of the, we can't reveal the name because we don't have any legal agreements or terms made so far, but we have some initial discussions. Here are some initial discussions with some of those potential opportunities where you can track the entire flow of data, so that every stakeholder in the game wins just by connecting them together. So approach chain can connect people, opportunities and resources and the government together for a better